Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will be discussing one stock that is about to break out for a big move, according to my analysis. To begin with, let us see how I identified this stock. On charting, I have created some scanners. There are actually three scanners that I have developed. These are the three: bullish scanner, price RSI bullish, and Ravi Dada's bullish scan. So we are looking at the first one, and when I run it, I get some good stocks, some good opportunities, out of which we'll be discussing Adani Green Energy. It has already changed about 2.46% yesterday, that is before closing on Thursday, and it has good volume as well, 20 lakhs 32,000. So it's a very high volume stock. Let us see what is the opportunity. So looking at Adani Green Energy, we first begin with all data monthly chart. All data means the data available all the way from when the stock was listed. That's my understanding. So from November 2018, a little before that, that stock price is available. And these are monthly candles. So every candle represents 1 month of stock movement. If you look at what happened here, let us look at a little in the past. And typically on charts, past repeats itself. The stock was moving sideways. And then RSI crossed over 70. And then there were these big momentum candles on the breakout. So the breakout happened here. If you look at where the breakout happened, here is where the breakout happened. The candle closed over this, the monthly candle, and thereafter the next candle opened exactly here. And then we see what happened. The price went all the way from here. So if you look at the entire price movement, the price has moved all the way from here, that is 55 rupees, all the way to today's closing is Thursday closing is 1367. Look at the kind of move that happened when RSI crossed over 70 and there was a breakout. Now let us come to today's situation. Can you see some parallels between this box and let me draw it again. This box. It has not yet crossed over and closed above this previous resistance, resistance line. However, it is about to, and RSI is also about to cross over 70. So it's just touched it. So if it crosses over and then the monthly chart closes above this, look at what is possible. It has happened earlier here. And then the volumes are also shooting up now. Look at the volume last month versus what is showing this month. And this month is not yet closed. So here, again, we are also looking at ADX. The ADX green is above red. So the chance of there is a positive directional index is above the negative directional index. ADI is at 62. Anything above 20 shows strong directional force, momentum. So ADX momentum likely to go up. RSI likely to get into the momentum zone above 70. Similar pattern repeating here. So if the stock moved from about 50 rupees to 1,350 rupees, look at what is possible after this. This is the monthly chart. Now let us look at the weekly charts, multiple time frame analysis. So the multiple time frame chart on monthly shows or gives me the confidence to start watching this stock. I'm not going to buy this on Monday immediately, but this gives me the confidence to start watching the stock. Then we look at the weekly candlesticks. If we look at weekly all data, look at this pattern here. Look at what happened here. And now look at what is happening here. Very high confidence And then one good thing is the 20 EMA is above 50 EMA, is about 100 EMA, is about 200 EMA. So the trend is strong, positive, long-term trend. The medium-term trend is sideways, and the momentum is positive. ADX is rising here. On a weekly, it is rising about 27, just moving about 20. And RSI is just about to cross 70. So weekly chart also gives me the confidence that there is a possibility of this stock breaking out for a big upward movement. How much it will go is anybody's guess, but we have seen what happened last time when it broke above this. And this happened in September 2019. September 2019 till November 2021, in 2 years, just about 2 years, the stock went from 50 to 1350. So look at what is the possibility for the next 2 years. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please make sure you like this video and share it with your contacts, your friends and relatives who may also benefit from this knowledge. And before I end it, I will end it with a disclaimer. I am not a qualified investment advisor, so I am not qualified to give investment advice. I am only sharing my trades, the trades I am actually planning to take, more as a learning exercise for everyone who is learning to trade, and not as investment advice. If you would like to invest in this stock or any other stocks that I cover in my videos, please take advice from a qualified investment advisor, or at least do your own analysis. I won't take any responsibility for any losses you make from these trades, nor will I take any credit for any profits you make from these trades. Moving down to the daily time frame, which is where the action is. Again, all data will make it look very crowded like this. You hardly can make out what is happening here. So we'll move down to 6 months. Let us see if it looks good. The 6 months is giving us some clarity. Now you see, the further you go back in time, the bigger time frame, the movements are so smooth. Like when we looked at the all data and monthly chart, it was so easy to look at the trend and make decisions. The moment we go down to lower time frame, like daily, and then we look at 6 months, look at the noise, all this noise. Anyways, if I were to look at it from a daily perspective, there was an early opportunity to buy it here around 1265 when it broke from this sideways movement. There was a sideways movement here. I did buy it earlier during this time, and it gave me good returns. It went from about 1270 to 1350. It was a good movement. Now it is showing another breakout potential. It is going sideways for now, but showing strong upward momentum. So I will watch for the close of the monthly candle. If the monthly candle closes above the previous high, and the new month candle on December 1st week, if it opens with a strong positive, I will definitely want to buy this stock. Like I said, do your own analysis, take advice from qualified investment advisors, and then make your investment decisions. This video is only for learning purpose. Thank you very much.